Top tips for hiring a professional plumber. Small plumbing problems, like a burst pipe or leaking faucet, can turn into a massive and expensive crisis if gone untreated. Having a knowledgeable and professional plumber on call is crucial to the safety of your family and home. Ensure the plumber is licensed. Now, one of the most important considerations when hiring a plumber is whether or not they are licensed. A simple Google search will reveal their credentials, reviews, and ratings from past clients, and any complaints associated with their work. Be sure it's a good match. Different plumbing companies operate on different schedules. Before choosing the right plumber, ensure you ask questions about things like liability insurance, estimates, extra fees, and the length of time expected for the project. Talk to different plumbers. Before deciding on the right plumber for the job, it's in your best interest to do some research and speak with plumbers from different companies. You can learn a lot about a person during a 5-minute chat. Inquire about work guarantees. No matter what kind of plumbing work you are looking to have done, it should be backed by a full warranty. Consider their experience. And as a rule of thumb, you should always hire the plumber with more experience. If you are in need of an emergency plumbing job or maintenance and repairs, get in touch with the experts now.